Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. Today I will introduce to you one skin package runs with rainmeter software. This package will decorate your desktop looks awesome. After finished, you will have a desktop like this. Okay, now I will show you how to make it. Let's go. This is my current desktop. First upon you download file I put in description below. You have a zip file, your exact file. Now we have a folder with a screen rainmeter inside and background picture if you want to set up it for your desktop. Okay, next step you create a new folder and move all icon shortcut inside. Okay, about recycle bin, you go to setting, personalization, desktop icon setting and unstick recycle bins. Okay, now recycle bin icon was high. Let's do download the rainmeter software. Double click to set up it. Okay, next install. Finished. You right click to unload the basic skin. Okay, now you go to system child, left click to rainmeter icon to run main list rainmeter. You right click, open folder, go back to skin folder. You go to skin rainmeter folder you download from my channel. Copy on and paste in skin rainmeter folder. Okay, you click refresh on and you see now all skin already linked inside rainmeter software. Now we will send the skin to desktop. First is control. You extend it, extend visualizer, right click, load, position on desktop. Okay, now we have a visualizer. Next is color up, you extend it. This is icon shortcut, you select the icon you want to send desktop and load it. I usually load the Chrome, load on desktop, load on desktop, PC, right click, load on desktop, YouTube, right click, load on desktop. Okay, next is simple, you extend it, right click, load, position on desktop. Fellow is quadrants, you extend it, right click, load, position on desktop. Now we will run it. I will talk more about residence. You go back to manage rainmeter, extend setting, right click, node, see table control. In this you click in this icon. This will link the website. In search box you input your location. Example, I live in London. You select and click search. Screen display latitude and longitude. You copy latitude, paste in here, enter. Longitude, paste in here, enter. And you see now screen display with the information in your location. Click to change the language. I think English is best. Choose the skin variant, current day, 3 days or 6 days. 3 days maybe okay, but I like current day only. Style value, you can input style value in here. Okay, so high city name, so high. We done with the data setting. Close. Now I will talk about new folder because CorelDRAW don't have enough icon shortcut for all software. So if you want quick access software which don't have icon in CorelDRAW, you can follow my guide. First, you right click to a new folder, rename and press and 255. As you see, now for names were high, but you have to press 255 in keypad. Okay, you right click again, property, customize, change icon, and select it, apply. Okay, now folders will change to white color, same with other. Now if you want access software, you can access folder and with shortcut inside. Okay, we can close on. About start bar, you can unspin first icon in this to make it more clean by right click unpin. About tree up, you go to setting, personalization, taskbar, change to off. You go to Microsoft Store again. You find apps just as translucentTB. You click install. This app will change start bar become transparent. You click open. And you see taskbar will change to transparent. You click continue. Okay. For more options, you can go system check, left click to this icon. Go to desktop, on option in here. Clear is transparent. So I already finished show you how to set up screen rainmeter for desktop. You can follow my guide to make it for your desktop. If you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.